Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making sure the set-top box is powered and the remote responds. Don't waste time swapping inputs. Once ready, press Home and go straight to Settings, then into System or Preferences. You need that screen to change modes. Make sure you have your 4-digit PIN handy because the system will ask for it before letting you change security features. This initial access step unlocks the controls you'll use next to turn off safe mode and avoid repeated reboots. You now find the safe mode or parental controls entry under System. Once located, select it and choose Disable or Off. Enter your PIN to confirm the change and make sure you accept any on-screen prompts to save settings. This is why confirmation matters. If the interface doesn't show a safe mode label, look for Startup, Boot Options, or Restricted Mode and switch those off instead. Take a breath. You've just completed the complex middle step that actually stops the restricted boot behavior. Once done, save settings and reboot the set-top box so changes take effect. A restart forces the system to apply the new mode. After the box comes back, verify by browsing the home screen and launching a few apps. If navigation and playback work normally, safe mode is off. If the box still behaves as before or settings are locked, your next step is a factory reset or contacting your provider for a remote unlock. That single troubleshooting move resolves locked PIN or firmware issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.